Hello, and welcome back to Stephanie Traditional Home. Today I have a short video to let you see how I made a Christmas tree within a vase. So welcome to all the family and to those who have not yet subscribed. Would you please do so today? Hit the notification bell, like, and comment. This was the garland that I made for my mantle a few weeks back. And everything I have here, I did not purchase anything today for this video. These ornaments, I got some from Walmart, Dollar Tree, Home Goods, and Hobby Lobby. They're the same ones. I just rearranged. What I did was push the garland that was already embellished that I had DIY'd. I'll put that video in a link if you want to see that, where I made the garland, embellished the garland. Pushed it down until it formed what I wanted to call the tree. And then for its skirt, I just simply added the same colors and textures down on this tray that I'm using. And for the wreath, the top part of the tree, I simply took the flowers that are here that you see, put it in a small bouquet, and took a ribbon with pine cone and the color of the berries to make the topper, if you will, to the tree. And I think it came out looking pretty good. But what I want to know is what you think. The vase, I call it a vase, but it's my picture that I've been had. And I decided to use this one. I was going with the solid white one, but I changed my mind. It has some gold at the tip of the rim here of the picture. And then this is some black and gray that's running in the veins of this. And then, of course, you can see this is a little off-white on the picture. And so I was going to put it in my bedroom, but I decided I'll let it stay right here. I think it looks so so lovely. Once again, thank you, and until Thursday.